Efficient data preparation is crucial for machine learning. The data preparation module ensures thorough cleaning, normalization, and splitting. It handles large datasets for analysis and model training. As part of the GOD framework, it automates tasks, allowing data scientists to focus on modeling. Purpose: the module standardizes preprocessing for machine learning and analytics by 1. Data cleaning, managing missing or inconsistent data. 2. Data normalization, scaling data uniformly for precision. 3. Data splitting, creating balanced training and testing datasets. 4. End-to-end preprocessing, unifying the data preparation process. Key features: the module includes comprehensive cleaning, removing missing values easily. Flexible normalization, min-max scaling, scale from 0 to 1. Standard scaling, achieve zero mean and unit variance. Automated splitting, customize training and testing sets. Pipeline integration, streamlined processing. Granular logging, detailed progress logs. User-defined configuration, customize options easily. Role in the GOD framework: the data preparation module ensures reliable data handling, strong foundations, clean data for downstream tasks. Enhanced utilization, reduces data noise. Scalability, works with various dataset sizes. Unified processes, integrates seamlessly with other frameworks. Future enhancements, continuous evolution offers advanced cleaning, smart algorithms for missing values. Custom feature engineering, automatically create relevant features. Data augmentation, increase dataset diversity. Big data integration, work with platforms like Apache Spark. Visualization features, better decision-making through graphical representations. Real-time preparation, dynamic setups for live applications. Conclusion: the data preparation module enhances workflows by integrating cleaning, normalization, and splitting. It prepares datasets for analysis and AI modeling. As part of the GOD framework, it reflects precision. Future updates will offer smarter strategies. Start using data preparation to elevate your data pipelines. Tags: AI monitoring, performance monitoring, GOD framework, resource utilization, real-time metrics, future enhancements.